Most solar quotes in Kenya are misleading, incomplete, and in some cases, outright wrong. And the worst part, you could be losing hundreds of thousands of shillings without even realizing it. Here's the truth. Most solar quotations you receive only focus on one thing: the system size and the upfront cost. They'll tell you 5 kilowatt system, 800,000 shillings. 10 kilowatt system, 1.5 million. But they conveniently leave out what actually matters: how much power you really use. Whether the system matches your consumption patterns, battery lifespan and replacement cost, grid unreliability, and hidden KPLC charges. And most importantly, your true return on investment. Here's where most quotes go wrong. They calculate savings like this: your bill is 20,000 per month, so solar saves you 240,000 per year. Sounds great, right? Wrong, because they ignore nighttime usage versus daytime production, system losses, battery inefficiencies, load spikes like cookers, pumps, or welders, future electricity tariff increases. That's not a calculation, that's guesswork. A proper solar analysis should answer 3 critical questions. How many units, kilowatt hours, do you consume per day? When do you consume that power? Day or night? What percentage of that can solar realistically offset? Only then can you determine correct system size, battery requirements, payback period, and actual long-term savings. Let's simplify it. If your system produces power you don't use, you're wasting money. If your batteries are undersized, you'll still rely on KPLC. If your system is oversized, you overpaid. The goal is not just to go solar. The goal is to design a system that maximizes savings and minimizes waste. Right now, electricity costs in Kenya are rising. Grid reliability is declining, and poor solar decisions are locking people into expensive mistakes. Don't be one of them. Before you accept any solar quote, get a professional load analysis and savings breakdown. At Power Africa Solar, we don't guess, we calculate. We show you exactly what you'll spend, what you'll save, and how long it takes to recover your investment. Install solar anywhere in Kenya. Call our Nairobi office 079 224 7397 or 079 471 6562. Call our Kisumu office 079 224 5589 or email us info@powerafricasolar.com. Solar is not expensive. Bad solar decisions are. Make the right one.
1.12 kilowatts that are being used within the home. So for this and many other installations, reach out to us on info@powerafricasolar.com and the contact details below, and we'll get to your site. Thank you.